Have you ever paused for a moment and asked yourself, when was the last time I truly loved myself? And not the kind of love that depends on achievement, not the love that comes from validation, but the love that rises quietly within your own heart, just because you exist. Most people spend their entire lives chasing love, approval, appreciation, and attention from others, without realizing that the greatest, strongest, most unshakable love they will ever experience is the love they give themselves. The truth is simple, yet we avoid it. No one in this world will ever know your heart the way you do, your struggles the way you do, your dreams the way you do. So why do you expect someone else to love you more than you love yourself? You've spent years trying to fit into people's expectations. You've sacrificed your happiness to keep someone else comfortable. You've overlooked your own needs just to make someone else stay. But tell me, what about you? What about your peace? What about your dreams? What about your worth? You were not born to live your life begging for love like a starving soul waiting for scraps. You were born to stand tall, to shine brightly, to love yourself loudly. So loudly that the world has no choice but to respect you. Think about how many times you chose others over yourself. You showed up for them even when you were hurting. You forgave them even when it broke you. You helped them even when you needed help yourself. Yet when it comes to loving yourself, you hesitate, you delay, you deny your own heart the same care you freely give to others. It's time to change that. It's time to reclaim the love that has always belonged to you. Loving yourself doesn't mean being selfish. It means understanding that you are worthy of the same kindness, patience, forgiveness, and compassion that you offer everyone else. It means putting boundaries where your peace is threatened. It means walking away from people who treat your heart carelessly. It means choosing yourself even when others don't choose you. It means becoming your own protector, your own supporter, your own best friend. The world becomes a different place when you start loving yourself. You stop chasing people. You stop begging for attention. You stop tolerating disrespect. You stop accepting the bare minimum. You stop trying to prove your worth because you finally realize that your worth was never dependent on someone else's approval. You start glowing differently. Your confidence rises. Your energy changes. You attract better because you believe you deserve better. When you love yourself, you heal. You break old patterns. You stop revisiting people who hurt you. You stop shrinking yourself just to make someone else feel bigger. You stop apologizing for being who you are. You become whole again. You become powerful. You become unstoppable. You become the version of yourself you always needed but never prioritized. Close your eyes for a moment and picture the person you want to become, the one who doesn't depend on anyone to feel complete, the one who carries strength in their smile, the one who is rooted in self-worth, the one who chooses themselves without guilt. That version of you is waiting, that version of you is real, that version of you is possible, but you must take the first step. Choose yourself today. This is your reminder that you deserve love, not tomorrow, not someday, not conditionally. But now, you deserve love when you are growing. You deserve love when you make mistakes. You deserve love when you are learning. You deserve love even when you feel imperfect. Because real love starts with accepting yourself exactly as you are, and then shaping yourself into who you want to be. So from this moment on, promise yourself that you will never abandon your own heart again. Promise yourself that no matter who enters or leaves your life, your love for yourself will never be shaken. Promise yourself that you will treat your soul with gentleness, your body with respect, your mind with care, and your dreams with commitment. Promise yourself that you will become your own safe place. And now, as you rise from this moment of truth, remember this. When you learn to love yourself more than anyone else, you become free. Free from expectations, free from fear, free from insecurity, free from the need to be understood by everyone. You become someone who stands strong in their own light, beautiful, confident, unbreakable. So today, choose yourself not once, not sometimes, but every single day, because the world needs the strongest version of you. And that version begins with love, your love, the love you give to yourself. Now go, modify yourself. Become the person who loves themselves so deeply that nothing and no one can take that power away from you.